from where you're sitting, you'll find there's the globe, that light is making a spot on the globe.
Yeah.
You see? Now, as I turn the globe, this is south, so east over here, west over here. But the Earth turns west to east.
Yeah.
You see there's a shadow here? See,
yeah.
See the shadow?
Yeah.
As the Earth turns, the shadow moves from the morning shadow to the noon shadow to the afternoon shadow. The shadows lengthen in the afternoon, they're shortest in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
And that's taking this out in the sun. That's what they can actually do. And this is Rachel.
Yeah.
Or it's Jimmy, or it's Mervyn, or whoever it is. But I find that it's the Earth that's turning that's making the shadow change. This is the model to illustrate a scientific principle, or a principle. Now, what I'm talking about here, this is the true South Pole, and this is the true North Pole. But this is the southern hemisphere view.
Yeah.
Of it. But as you're doing this in the northern hemisphere, of course, they turn it the other way. And then this would be, here we go to Britain. And have it in Britain. Same thing, globe and the shadow, but now the sun is south of us, and the shadows now point to the North Pole. It's the same thing as the Earth turns. Oops. As the Earth turns, we still get the shadows.
Yeah.
Shadows moving.
You can't do this on Google Earth. You need to have a real globe.
Yeah, I have drawn in the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, coloured them in. I've also put the international dateline in it. This is the Greenwich line.
Yeah.
And it means that this New Zealand, as the new day comes as New Zealand turns. And in fact, where you've got there now, you've got the spot of the sun shining on there. And as the Earth turns towards the sun, it becomes morning. That's dawn.
Yeah.
And then as the Earth turns away from the sun, it's now afternoon. And you see that it's a couple of hours. These lines down here are our lines. And they run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They're called meridians. But this one is the prime meridian. It comes through from Greenwich in England. And this coming down this way is longitude, and this is longitude. These lines are longitude, which is the distance there is from that line here. But it's for someone to actually pick up a globe. Now we talk about this is the point. This is where the magnetism comes out of the Earth in northern Canada. It's about 2,000 kilometres away from the North Pole. Our compasses point to that point, and our compasses point to this point here in the southern hemisphere. This is the Australian Antarctic Territory. This is the South Pole.
Yeah.
But
magnetic. So that's magnetic north and magnetic south.
That's magnetic south.
Yeah.
And this is magnetic north.
So it's not exactly on the pole.
No, it's not. It's not on the pole.
Oh.
And so when people are using the magnetic compasses, you've got to have a chart that tells you what allowances to make
for true
north.
Or true south.
Yeah, in New Zealand I think it's about 22 degrees.
Mm.
So you can't use a magnetic compass for navigation purposes unless you've got that chart. So those are activities just using the globe.